Good morning, everybody. We are here. Things are looking, well, they're looking a little weird in the market today, but Bitcoin seems to try and be bouncing up a little. I don't know. 48 degrees outside right now. It's a little cloudy. It's a little gray, but it's okay. We get Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat, baby. What's going on, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Scastonify, Dark Bro, Scastonify, Peter, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Moji, Pudgy. We get Peter, Moji, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Moji, Pudgy, Peter, Moji, Dark Bro, Peter, Dark Bro, Patrick, what's going on, man? Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the banana, Dark Bro. Dark Bro says, let's get a little lick and stick action to start the week off right. I got you, Dark Bro. You peel the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much for the banana, Dark Bro. Loving it right there, Dark Bro. Patrick, we get Peter, no toes, Dark Bro. Ooh. Hold, please. I gotta get my water bottle. I can't be going without this authorized hydration. Hold on. Got him. Good to go. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. We got Dark Bro first in the chat. Dilly to you, Dark Brilly. Loving it, Patrick. Thank you very much for that. Slayer JC, Notos, Mark Slayer, and Moji. Man, I hope all you guys are having a good day today. It's not too bad. Let's see. Ooh, Shibarium pad, whatever the heck that is. I don't even know. Let's, is that still 124%? I haven't even been on here. Back down a little bit, but still up 27% on the day for whatever Shibarium pad is. Actually, I have no idea what that is. So let's take Chrome off and let's put Weeble back on there and see what we got going on in the market. AMC sitting basically a break even today, 0.15% lower. Shiba Inu coin 1116 right now, really following suit with Bitcoin. GameStop sitting at 1921. Bitcoin sitting at $22,522. Basically spent the entire weekend between 22,200 and 22,400, breaking up just slightly right now, trying to go on a little run, but getting stifled pretty quick here. In between, if you guys go out the daily chart there, in between these levels right here at 23,000 and 22,200. So using this red line is a pretty decent level of support all weekend long. We're going to have to see if it's able to bounce back off and go to the upside, or if it cracks back down and goes to the downside there. We'll definitely be keeping our eye on that. The NASDAQ, on the other hand, the NASDAQ bouncing back a little bit, sitting at 11,800 points right now. It is up 1% on the day. GameStop sitting at 1921, up 2.70%. Pure Therapeutics, $3.01. AMC, 656. Ethereum, 1575. Shiba Inu coin, 1116. Dogecoin, 7.5 cents. Bitcoin sitting at 22,500. Sundial, $1.86. Mullen Auto, 23 cents, up 5% on the day. Not too bad there. CEI sitting at $1.74. The SPY, 406. BBIG, 50 cents. Highcraft Mining, 36 cents, down almost 6% on the day. Netflix, $321. QQQ 303, and Ape sitting at $1.79 right now. Dang, man, we get some barcoding going on Ape. Not a ton of volume right there. So let's go back down to Bitcoin is what we want to watch. See whether or not we get some purple or green lines going on Bitcoin. No, the voices in my head say I'm first. Mark, well, you are first then, man. Give in to the voices. Give into the voices. I used to love using my name when I was single for awkward situations when I was dating. I would ask if she ever did it a pat. 99% of the time they hadn't. I would offer a free pat down. Oh, God. Oh, nice, Pat. Very nice. Clay Bro, did you watch the live with Queenie and DJ Trev? No, I did not watch a live with Queenie. I did, however, listen to a couple Twitter spaces. That's the last, dude, I hadn't listened to I think Queenie is the only person I've ever listened to on a Twitter space, actually, now that I think about it. Queenie was talking about Paul in one of them, and I might have jumped in and listened to one of those KTOs for a couple minutes, or whatever else it is that she's modding in their Discord or whatever. I did jump into a couple of Twitter spaces that Queenie was in over the weekend, but did not watch the live stream with them. Was it a good one, Dark Bro? Let me know. Give me a synopsis here. Most laughed. Wife didn't. Instead, she made me buy her a ring and said, "We'll see." Well, here we are 16 years later. There you go, Pat. Absolutely beautiful, man. Congrats on the 16 years. Heck yeah, dude. 16 years is a very long time, man. I love it. Pika Power is in the chat. What is going on, Pika? Hopefully you had a good weekend. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, Pika is among us. Good morning to you, King Mamba. How you doing today? Pika Power. Oh, yes. Sky Stonify, King Mamba, Pika, King Mamba, Patrick, and Dark Bro says, yes, it's, my goodness, Konatori. It was a really good one, Pika, and I got whale status. Dude, Pika, you and Pika got whale status and Konatori? Nice. Whatever that Japanese word means. Pika Pika? Oh, yes. Bay Pika, Pika, all the Pikas. That's what I like to Sika. Oh, yes. Hey, Clay, bro, I missed you all. Yes, Pika. If you did not know that we missed you as well, we did miss you as well. Telling you right now, so now you know. Good deal. I do want to see what Paul is doing. Any dip buying opportunities on Paul yet, or does it continue to defy all gravity and move higher? Let's see what Paul is doing. No dip buying opportunities on Paul whatsoever. Paul's sitting over here at an $89 million market cap. My goodness, $12.7 million traded. Gosh, I want to look at this here in a minute. Their website does not work. All right, well, I do not know why their website does not work, but their website does not work. I'm going to figure that one out. I don't know. I'll go look at that again. The Queen is back. Oh, yes, Pika is back, man. Let's see what we've got here, Pat. We've got a little unicorn. Ooh, yes, the unicorn horn is growing. That's messed up. Hold on. There we go. That unicorn horn is growing right there. Patrick, we got a little... Thank you very much, Patrick, for the super chat, man. And a wonderful welcome to Pika. Back into the chat right now. Loving it, Pika. Heck yeah, so glad to have you in here. It is better when Pika is here, I gotta admit. It says the website is undergoing maintenance. I'm in their Discord. Gotcha. Alright, I do want to wonder about that, because I want to see what their website looks like, man. Hey, bros, what's going on, Dial-Up Survivor? How are you? Dial-Up, hello, Pika. Shredda, how you doing, Shredda? We got Moji. Oh, everybody, red light, green light, red light, I don't know. Red light on the website, is that what we got there? Bought Paul 0.00006 over the weekend. Very nice, the franchise. You are already up almost 50% on your investment just over the weekend. Dude, think about that, man. I don't know if you guys plan on trading, if you plan on just literally holding this long term, or what your guys' intentions are, but 0.00006 up to the 9, that is a 50% increase over the weekend, man. Not bad at all, dude. You guys could be making some sick money. I don't know if this is worth trading or literally just worth holding, but people have made a sick amount of money on Paul so far. And I cannot believe that it is not really dipped back down. I mean, this is a little dip, yes. This is basically the same percentage dip. It looks very steep coming down from, 1,000 points per coin or whatever you want to call it, back down to 5, losing 50%, and then just gaining it right back. So it does seem, man, it does seem like Paul is really sustaining this move right here. So I don't know if it's ever going to dip back down and give me a buy opportunity. You would have figured some of these guys would have sold off by now, making 50x gains on their money, but apparently nobody wants to take profits. Really interesting information. Paul Burn is going to be released this week. Dark Bro, very nice, dude. They actually gave a time frame. Probably why Satoshi hates him. Yes, very well could be. But here's the deal. So, there's a lot brewing out there between Paul Swap developers and Satoshi. The Paul Swap guys are basically the old Shiba Inu coin breeds teams. And although I don't necessarily like those guys, I don't necessarily like Satoshi either, what I do like is the ability to make a ton of money. So sometimes you can invest with teams that you don't necessarily like if you know that the price is going to go up. But, yeah, dude, there's a fallout, and I don't know what you really expect. Like, literally, if you go through and you fire everybody that you work with, and they built a coin from the ground up and an ecosystem from the ground up, well, I have a very strong feeling you're going to have some very strong competition. So, yeah, dude, the guys over at Paul are basically the old Shiba Inu coin moderators, and I don't even know if there's any developers, but some of those guys, and that's why Satoshi doesn't necessarily like them, is because, well, they had a falling out, and now they're going their own direction. Actually gets all that. Nope, I'm buying and holding. There you go, Dark Bro. Bought Paul and KTO. Very nice, Pika. I like money too. Dark Bro, very good, man. Hey, Clay, what's with this coin Crypto King talking about? It will burn trillions of LUNC. It's called Creamed. I don't know. Is that the cremation coin? I don't know. Let's see. I have not looked at... I've not seen this coin before. I don't know, dude. I don't see it. I mean, you can see, you come out here and type it, but I don't know if that's cremation token or I really don't know if I'm looking it up wrong or if it's just not on CoinMarketCap. Hopefully it would do something, and hopefully it would burn Terra Luna Classic, but I really don't know. I haven't looked into it. Just stopped in to say hi, not feeling the best, but just wanted to say hi to my bros, Dial-Up Survivor. Perfect. We do hope you feel better, Dial-Up Survivor. Get some rest, and you can definitely come back to the afternoon live stream if you want. It's called Cremation, and he's showing it like he did Lunatic's token. Gotcha. J-Bones. Ooh, what's going on, man? Clibro, does it feel like a corn dog Monday? Dude, it's a corn dog every day, dude. I haven't had a corn dog in a long time, but corn dogs are good. Paid marketing manager for them now. Dang, dude. Wouldn't it? Like, a part of me is like, yeah, it would be nice to be a paid marketing partner. You know, Paul, for example, right? They're sitting right now on like an $800,000 marketing wallet. Well, dude, throw some of that $800,000 my way, and we will do some marketing for Paul. But at the same time, dude, listen, if I start to not like Paul, I'm not going to want to be some dude that's got to say, I really like Paul. They've got a great team. If I don't like it, I want to say that I don't like it. So, yeah, I don't know, man. Marketing is fun. Marketing is a decent way to get some money. But I'm telling you right now, I will... Dude, I don't even care who it is, man. If freaking Vitalik comes up with a coin and I don't like it, I'll tell him I don't like it. I don't care who it is. Hope you feel better, Dial-Up. Absolutely. Carlos, what's going on, Carlos? She was on a rocket. Yes. Wow. Sharing actual information with their community versus riddles. Crypto McDuck. What a novel idea. Mosif, Pika. We're going to get Paul Swap at, driving. I think you can get it on Uniswap, right? Well, there you go. Dark Pro says you can get it on Shiba Swap. You can use MetaMask to get it. You can get it on Uniswap though, right? I don't really know. Well, let's go see what the markets are. Yeah, so you can get Paul in several different locations. You can get Paul on Uniswap, Gate.io, BitGet, MEXC, LBank, and Shiba Swap. I believe there's actually 4 other markets. I believe they're listed on 10 exchanges. Bitrue, Bitconomy Exchange, xt.com, or Uniswap. So you got all those places. If any of those ring a bell to you, Uniswap, Gate.io, BitGet, Mexi, LBank, Shiba Swap, Bitrue, Bitconomy Exchange, XT, and then Uniswap again. So if you want to get it from any of those, you can get it from any of those. Go back up here. If you're interested. You didn't even see it. All of those. You're driving anyway, so you can't see it. But all of those you can get Paul Swap from if you would like to do so. Meanwhile, you got Glowstone over here, not being promoted by anybody, and it's still gaining. I have not looked at Glon in a very long time. Let's see, Glowstone. Yeah, it's moving up a little bit. Glowstone sitting at 88,000. It was at 75,000 last week or 2 weeks ago, the last time we looked at it. So it's moving up a little bit. Still got some majorly low volume there, $3,000, but that's better than the $300 that we saw being traded a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, dude, Glowstone moving up a little bit. Market cap's moving up by about 20%, so that's not bad at all, dude. And once again, you can't see anything. My goodness, dude, it's Monday. We're going to get through it. Monday. We're going to get through this Monday. And I'm going to learn how to click on these screens during the live stream. So it's going to be good. I promise it is going to improve from here. Bro, question for you. Is there more price manipulation or crypto or the stock market? Gary. There's more price manipulation in crypto than the stock market. Definitely more manipulation in crypto than the stock market. I will say though, the stock market has much more institutional ownership than the cryptocurrency market does. Definitely more price manipulation, like legitimate manipulation in the crypto market than there is the stock market. But the stock market's got a lot more institutional buyers than the crypto market does. And I know you think that when stocks go down, dude, we're in some wild bear market right now, right? It's not manipulation when a stock goes down and just glory to retail when the stock price goes up. Institutions also want the price of a stock to move higher. So don't trust some of those people that tell you it's manipulation if it goes down and it's just a good normal day if it goes up. That's like don't get caught up in that mentality right there. Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Green. Yes. Now everybody is asking about Paul Connor. But dude, for rightfully so. Paul has gone up like 80x, man. It's at least a 50x over the last couple of weeks. It has seen some wild gains. So people, of course, are interested in anything that has produced gains like that. 50 Shades. Oh, yes. Thanks, Clay. Sledge AC. Absolutely. Let's get started. Nufo, you already know what it is, man. What's going on in the crypto market? Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Green. Not too much, actually. Crypto market is pretty subdued. Bitcoin sitting at 22,500. Trying to bounce off some of these lower levels that we saw all weekend long. Go to this hourly chart here. You can see that we've basically been sitting very stagnant at this level right here. After falling, we've been sitting right here testing this 22,200 level all weekend long. Over the last 4 or 5 hours, we have slightly bounced off that level and attempted to break through this recent, very, very tight channel high. We haven't been able to do so yet. But if we do, we might be retesting 23,100. If not, I am nervous of a breakdown below 22,200, leading us to that 21,100 level of support that I really think is where we're going. So that's what we're looking at right now, just a slight blip up off this red line that we spent the entire weekend hanging on to. Crypto for sure. Roulette wheel, definitely. Whoever's manipulating it, karma's a B. Oh, yes, it is, Connor. There's a lot of people that manipulate the market, though, dude. Even if you go into these little coins, like Glowstone. If you wanted to look at Glowstone, you could easily manipulate the price of Glowstone. It's got a couple $1,000 market cap. Dude, you go in there. If you've got the money to invest and you threw 10, 15, 20,000 on Glowstone, it would rocket the price higher. And then, of course, if people began to FOMO in, buy in, you use them as exit liquidity and you go double, triple, quadruple your money as they try to run and jump on a coin that's moving. So it is very easy to manipulate a low market cap coin. And there's a lot of cryptos out there that have, market caps less than $100,000 that people easily go into. You get a group of people together, and the coin's got $1 million, $2 million, $3 million market cap, and they go spend a couple $100,000, boom, run the price up, the people begin to FOMO in, and there's your exit liquidity. They just go in and sell off to those guys as the price is moving up, and they double, triple, quadruple their money. So cryptocurrency space is much more manipulated. Hey bro, lottery ticket play on Terrarium. Put in $25. Very nice, Dark Bro. Terrarium is beat down to death. So let's see where Terrarium is sitting right now. $20, $25 play on Terrarium. We have Terrarium. Whoo! Golly ball, man. An 87% decline today, dude. An 88% decline today. Terrarium sitting at a $2 million market cap right now, getting blasted over the last 24 hours. My goodness. Where are you going on this one if it does decide to jump back up? What do you got? 002. Oh, dang. I mean, is that a 10x gain right there? I can't even count these zeros, man. I can't even count these zeros. That's like a 10x gain right here, right? That's deleting a zero. That's like a 10x gain. That'd be a 20x gain. Was that like a 40x gain? In a couple day period and then right back down? I literally can't even count these zeros right here. Well, there's your lottery ticket play, man. I absolutely believe that you could have that lottery ticket. Market cap. You're looking at a market cap. Let's go all time. The market cap all time is blank. So that sucks. We can't see that. But yeah, dude, nonetheless, I don't know. Those looked like some wild moves to me on Terrarium. Well, dude, take your lottery ticket, man. I hope you absolutely destroy it. Skystone at 5. Thank you very much, Skystone at 5, for the super chat. Thank you very much, Skystone at 5, for the mustache. Opening up a dispensary. You could call it Clay Pot. No, I've not thought about opening up a dispensary. I think I would probably be the worst dude to ever open up a dispensary, because I have never in my life partaken in any of that. That would be like that'd be like a blind dude trying to sell you reading glasses. Like, it's not something that you would want. I have no experience with it whatsoever, and it would be the broken clay pot, because I would be broke afterwards, not knowing anything that I was doing. But I do like the name. If anybody wants to license that, we can make it happen. Hello, everybody. Hi, Clay. Good news. I lost thousands more this weekend. I'm still smiling. Don't know why, but I like it. It's going to be okay. We're going to dip. But 2, 3, 4 months later, it will go up. You are right. John Jay, dude. You are right. And here's my honest outcome. Okay? Here's my honest outcome of the cryptocurrency market. It is either going to get ripped to the point where the U.S. bans it outright, and you and I are going to sit here and talk about, prohibition of crypto. Or it's people are going to calm down. Bear market's going to be over. We're going to 20, 30, 40, 50x on all these coins, and it's going to be insane. Jared! Jared, man, thank you very much. Hold on. We gotta move this, you know? Jared. Jared, thank you very much for the super chat. That was me jumping into the air, man. That was me jumping into the air like that little firework guy. And the laughing is because he's so happy. The laughing is because he's so happy right there. Jared, thank you very much for the super chat. Very sorry if I creeped you out on that one, but you know that I gotta imitate the super chats here. And that is actually a really fun one right there. Blind guy selling you art. AMC Trapper. Yeah. Would you buy it? I mean, you can see it. At that point, you can see it, but he might not know what's going on. Jared, your name's going to stay at the top of the screen. Yes, I love it. Jared, perfect, man. Had to do it. I love it, Jared. I've seen that super chat only one other time, and I am pretty sure Danelle sent that super chat like last year. I have not seen that super chat in a very long time, but I do remember seeing that super chat one time in like the last 2.5, 3 years or whatever. So thank you very much for that super chat, Jared. Absolutely appreciate it. Good morning, Chris. How are you today? See, now Chris could open a dispensary. He might be able to call it the clay pot. That's fine. But Chris would have more knowledge with that than I do. It may go up, but eventually it will go back down. Sounds like something else I know. When Sarah says something like with that many M's, kind of makes me wonder if she's getting ready to bake something again. I'm not exactly sure. Now Sarah's got me confused on what we're talking about there. Jared, seriously, thank you very much for that, man. Chapter's in the house, baby. Clay, take a look at Loop Network. All right, Dark Pro, still grinding my teeth. Oh, but permanently ready for money. There you go, Chris. I love it, dude. Peak about 200 million supply. This is on Loop Network. 200 million supply on Loop Network. Loop Network right here. Not Loop X Network, right? Yeah, here we go. All right, so we'll pull that up. Let's see. Claypot Moji likes the name, man. Crypto needs structure, no issuer, closed contracts only, and deflationary supply. If a developer wants to get rich, buy crypto. Yeah, Mark, I agree, dude. Hero lost his buff chat bot. What it is, I don't know what the buff chat bot was. Hey, Clay, bro, and friends, what's going on, Robbio? Welcome, bro. Seriously, Jared, man, thank you very much. I'm going to be saying thank you as long as that's the top of the screen, dude. Really appreciate it. Yes, that's kind of what I was wondering about Sarah baking something. Cornet's Cannabis. Ooh, a bud tasting event, like a wine tasting for smokers. Is that even a thing, dude? Is that even a thing, Chris? It's got a different taste to it. Hello, my degenerates. What's going on, ye? How are you? All right, Loop Network, guys. Loop Network is a small $7 million market cap coin right now. $480,000 done over the last 24 hours. It is Certic audited, so that is good news right there. Only 200 million coins that can be in existence. I guess they have not issued all of the coins yet, or maybe they have burned some of the coins. Not exactly sure why the total supply is lower than the max supply. Could be due to burns, but it's actually got a decent graph, man. If you're looking at this graph right here, it came out in the middle of 2022, early 2022 there, March, April, and it's had a couple nice pumps during a bear market. It's had a couple nice pumps. Not doing anything ridiculous. Going from a cent over the next couple of months to 6 cents. So that's a nice 6x gain. Coming back down and steadily rising right now. You know, I don't know if it's going to dip back down a little bit, but even if you can ride this thing from 2 cents to 6 cents, man, you're tripling your money and not doing too bad. The overall graph during this bear market has been up with a couple nice spikes. So I'd say take advantage of the next spike up and take your profit. And then if you want to get back in, get back in. But It's actually got a decent longer-term graph, man. Like I said, but I don't know what they do or anything that is strictly looking at the graphs. It is near impossible to know what all of these crypto coins do because there are so many of them. But hey, we can look at the graphs all day long. Clay, could be a thing. Could it be a thing though? I really don't know. Does it actually taste different? Would you be able to do it? Any input on Paul? I seen it. I got a few more listings. Yeah, Jared, absolutely, man. So Paul is something that I'm keeping my eyes on closely right now. I do not own any, okay? I was expecting and have been wrong since expecting this, but I have been expecting a dip that has never come. So if you're looking at this over the last month, it is basically, man, 40x'd over the last month, which is insane growth. Now, a normal person would expect a major sell-off after an extremely quick 40x gain. Why? Dude, a person that invested $1,000, they got 40 grand sitting in their account right now. You invested 10 grand, you're sitting on $400,000. So I know that some of these kids that got in a couple of weeks ago are sitting on massive amounts of money right now. And I know they're being tempted to sell. And I can almost just feel that the next major pullback could cause a major sell-off. You're not talking about institutional holders that can hold through massive bear markets. We're talking about a bunch of retail. And if they see the price start to tank, they're going to get nervous and they're going to sell. However, okay, it's got a lot of exchanges. I believe there are above 10 exchanges that are currently listed, and we just looked at all of them here. And there might be more, but these are the ones that are listed on CoinMarketCap. Uniswap, Gate, BitGet, MEXC, LBank, ShibaSwap, BitTrue, Bitcoin Economy, Bitconomy Exchange, and XT.com. So knowing that, I have not bought in yet because I am waiting for a dip. I might wait myself out of an opportunity. That would be unfortunate if so, but I am currently waiting. Now, this is from basically the fired Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team. So they have ran Shiba Inu coin. They know what they're doing. Okay, I put that in quotes because I do think that they're very unprofessional at times, but clearly they have rode Shiba Inu coin up well. So what I honestly think that we could see here is Paul basically be the equivalent of maybe Shiba Inu coin, or they might try to turn the Paul into Bone, okay? They're going to start with their decentralized exchange. And I saw that super chat. I'm going to get back up to it in a second. They're going to start with their first coin, okay? And they're building, yes, off the hype surrounding Shibarium right now, but they're getting their decentralized exchange the same way that the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem did their first decentralized exchange. After that happens, man, they could take the exact same path as Shiba Inu coin did because it's the exact same team, right? So you might see them open up PulseSwap. And then in PulseSwap, they might have staking rewards. The same way you could have bought into Bone when Bone was a worthless token. They might come up with they might come up with Tail or Ears or no. I don't know what theme they're going to go with for their ecosystem, but they might come up with little tail waggers, wagging my tail or something. You stake your tail, you get wagging tail. They might come up with their reward tokens the same way that they did for Shiba Inu coin's ecosystem. So these guys could create something very big based on this feud that is going on with the Shiba Inu coin OG developers or whatever, current developers, however you want to word it. And if that's the case, man, Paul could really turn into something, and these next tokens that these guys are almost inevitably going to come out with could really turn into something. If you feel like you missed out on Shiba, you might not see million X gains, but they might create something that half the Shiba Inu coin community goes with. Also, I get my current situation, but why does so many more changes the price negatively more than positively? All the good news we always hear never does crap. Chris, I'll talk about that in 2 seconds after I say John J for Pika. We all love you. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika. John Jay, it is true, man. We do. Pika is amazing. Pika, we're glad to have you in here, and that is for you from John Jay. So Chris, right now, dude, we're in a bear market, okay? And I know you're understanding the situation, right? You get the current situation and all of that, but what you've got in terms of traditional investors' mindset, you can go to the bank right now, and you can just open up a money market account, and you are basically guaranteed to get 3.5% on your money. You could probably go for a slightly riskier play and make more than 3.5%, but you can go out to the bond market and get United States government bonds for between 4 and 5%. Those are insane gains on bonds. Those are typically 0.5% to maybe 1% that you can get. And you are sitting right now on 4 to 5% gains, annualized return on bonds. So you can go to the bank or you can go to the bonds, which are basically guaranteed investments. Those bonds, think about it like this. It's so guaranteed that the only way you don't make that 4 to 5% is if the United States defaults and we basically spiral out of control as a country. So therefore, it doesn't even matter. Like if we spiral out of control, your money's not going to matter anyway. And then if we don't spiral out of control, well, then you're guaranteed the 4 to 5% return. So traditional investors, they don't view the stock market and crypto market as, guaranteeing them 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% gains. They view it as getting them 7% returns if they're lucky, right? If it's a good market, they're going to get 7% annualized average returns from their mutual fund, their money manager, or from just diversifying within the stock market. So then they're looking at the situation. Well, we can make a guaranteed 4 to 5% on bonds or the bank, or we can risk our money in this bear market and hope to make 7% returns. Very, very, very few people choose the 7% returns with the risk. They're taking the guaranteed 5% returns based on bonds. Now, because of that, good news at this point, it's very, very hard to sway that investor's decision knowing they're guaranteed 5% as opposed to a possible 7%. So, dude, we could have good news, but it's still not going to be enough to bring that traditional investor and institutional investor back into the market and draw them away from that guaranteed return. It's going to take an entire shift of the economy, not just a solitary good news to do so. And I know that's a very long explanation, but it shows you the severity of this bear market. And those interest rates, those guaranteed rates, they are going to go up, man. They are going to go up. I read an article over the weekend or like Thursday or Friday last week. For the first time, I believe, since like 2001 or something, you can make more by staying in cash in the bank than you can on a traditional investment portfolio. And that is nuts, dude. That is nuts, which is why so many people are kind of straying away. Now, guys, I know that was very long. So AMC Trapper says, dude, you better stop talking, lick it and stick it. You take the banana, you lick it. Trapper, you got to keep that eye contact, man. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, dude. Loving it. Ryan, I see you in here, Ryan, and it makes my Monday. It makes my Monday to see you coming in this live stream, and I say thank you for that. So thank you, Ryan. Jared, grabbing that green name, baby. Now that's what I'm talking about right there. Guys, that's a legit green name. That is not a giveaway green name. I want to see 51 people in the chat right now saying, welcome, Jared. Moji, Pika, J-Bones, AMC Trapper throwing it out there. Markel throwing it out there. Yes, Yee. Come on, man. Don't cry. Throw thank you to Jared out there. Thanks, Brosifs. Hex yeah. Guys, that was like 6 people that said welcome to Joseph, or welcome to Jared. Throw the welcomes out there to Jared right now. Thank you very much. What are the chances that Satoshi is behind Paul too? Rabio, I think very low. Satoshi has actually been pretty vocal, and Dude, you know, like when you have a toxic relationship or you see and these guys are just like feuding back and forth with each other, it's extremely annoying to see multi-billion-dollar project managers acting like kids that are in high school. And that's what these kids are doing right now, is acting like they're kids in high school, and they very well could be, because that's the way they're acting. So yeah, I highly doubt that he is also in charge of Paul. Let's see. I want to become crypto fund manager. I can get you a negative 20% return per year, and that's being very conservative. Roulette wheel. I like it, man. Get that trap nana. Oh yes. Clearbro, one of my other lottery tickets, a little bit $5 in AINU. AINU. Dude, very nice, man. AI new, is that what it is? Or A new? I don't know. $5 in it. $5 is not bad at all. That is a lottery ticket for sure. A new token. I have no idea. I think it's this one. Oh, geez, dude. That's a very low token, man. $28 in volume over the last 24 hours. Check this out. $28 in volume over the last 24 hours. Very, 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 very low trades right there. Clearbro banned me. Yeah, I did not ban you. You're right there, man. Clearbro, what am I? Saw that. Yo, Outdoor Smile, what's going on? Jared. Yes, there you guys go. Really appreciate everybody welcoming Jared right now. Ryan says, welcome, Jared. I'm Fredo's younger brother, Michael Corleone. Ryan, I am Fredo's younger brother, Michael Corleone, and you are Fredo. Get it right. No, he went to Jared's Jared. There you go. Yes, you're that kind of Jared. Not Jared. We can't see, bro. Dark, bro. I think you can now, maybe. Clay, bro, what are your thoughts on Jeppy, and does Weeble have drip? Are you talking about the dividend reinvestment program, or are you literally talking about a coin or a stock called drip? And what is it? Jeppy. I don't know what Jeppy is. Let's go look at Jeppy real quick. Is Jeppy a stock? Oh, we talking about this ETF right here. Wow, this ETF has done phenomenally over the bear market. So, what kind of an ETF is this? Current income while maintaining prospects for capital appreciation. Good. The fund seeks to achieve this objective by creating an actively managed portfolio of equity securities comprised significantly of those in the fund's primary benchmark, the Standard & Poor's. Okay, so this is basically just a JP Morgan equity fund right here. It has been out since the middle of 2020, and it has done very well, man. It's almost doubled in price. It's up like it says like 40% gain over the course of its lifetime here. And also, what they've got some great capital growth during this bear market that we've been in. That's pretty easy to see. And the dividend looks solid, man. Dividend yield of 11% right here. It is a current $54 stock, and every month you are getting roughly 50 cents on average in dividend income. So, look, man, I don't know what these guys are managing here. I don't know what's in this portfolio. I'm sure you could go out and break it down and see exactly what they're holding right now. I'm not going to go do all that, but I'm sure you could go to JP Morgan's website and see exactly what is in this fund. But I would say this fund has done very well. During a time when we have seen nothing but losses since this period of time right here, yes, they did come down, but they bounced right back up. So I wouldn't be like too scared, I guess, to get in on one of these. It would be major dips, like right now. 10% dip would be pretty great because this is a weekly chart. So if it did dip down to any of these levels right here, dude, you could be looking at a pretty strong 20% annualized dividend, and with monthly dividends paid. So you get monthly income there. And they've actually done pretty well throughout this bear market. So I like it. Let me put it that way. I like it. I don't know what's in it. I like the performance that it's had so far. So definitely look into that if you guys want to look into Jeppy there. I just don't know. I have no idea what's in their portfolio. It's all gains here, Jared. I like it. What do you say? I do think it would be an interesting strategy if Satoshi was behind Paul and creating a feud between the two cryptos to drive more media attention to it and a stronger community. I don't mind diversifying. Yeah, Jared, that would be some next level stuff on my like beliefs. I think that, you know, firing or the fallout that they had with those original breeds, though, I think that I don't know, man. I think that would be next level, but I don't know if they're on that level to create that kind of a feud just to create that kind of a marketing stance. If you're right on that one, though, dude, I'll tip my hat to them on that. I'll tip my darn crown to them, man. I'll tip my crown to them if they're on that next level marketing. Clay, would it be better to buy shares or tokens for when the bull market returns, or think about buying options for when things start going up? Chris, it's going to be better to buy all of them. Let's discuss the difference because I like that. We've got Ryan, let's talk about the money, man. Let's talk about the money between shares and tokens and options. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's see. Crypto mining rewards mostly from unclaimed partial coin dust to... Patrick, it depends what coin you're mining, right? But I would say no. A lot of it comes from the gas fees and things that are paid there. So I've only ever really mined decent-sized tokens. So I've only mined stuff like Ravencoin and Ethereum Classic and Zcash. So I've only ever really mined major coins, but I'm not sure about little tiny tokens there. Let's see. Excited about right now? Yeah, Sky, I'm actually excited about Pulse Swap right now, but I have not seen a buying opportunity for me just yet. And I'm also excited about Veracity, okay? Veracity has moved a lot over the last couple of months, and it is currently sitting on a major level of support that, if broken, I may get back into when it falls through that line in the sand there. Doki Inu, remind me in a second to look at Doki Inu. I want to answer Chris's question. So, Chris, if you're looking at shares, okay, depending on what you're looking at, let's take a look at the market in general, but we'll also look at things like Google. So we're gonna take a look at the I know I got Google here, or Amazon, whatever you want, just something big, right? One of those boring stocks that you could be looking at. I could have swore. Oh, here it is. If you're looking at Google, man, this is a monthly chart, or weekly chart, sorry. You're basically, we know that Google, unless they do something extremely stupid with their AI, where their AI literally creates a rift in online searches and they destroy themselves because of it, Google is going to be fine. If you buy into Google, I highly doubt you're going to see extreme losses, but you're most likely going to be seeing gains in the 50, 60, 70 percent returns during the next bull market. Excellent gains, dude. It's something where you can say, you know what? I can dedicate $100 of my paycheck. I can dedicate to $200, $300 my pay, whatever it is, right? And almost use it as a bank account, because I highly doubt there's any scenario, unless just catastrophic, where Google fails. And you can split that between things like Walmart and Waste Management and Nike, Pepsi, Coke, these major blue chip stocks out there. They're beaten down heavy in price, but you don't really have to worry about investing a decent amount of money in them. So if you go out there and you're looking at, I would say, safe 50% returns, well, dude, you might be willing to put your paychecks into stocks like these, into these blue chips, as opposed to putting it in your bank account, or a savings account where you're going to make 3%. I'd say that's what you're looking at if you get into stocks. 50, 60, 70, maybe 100% returns during the next bull market. If you're looking at options, options are going to be insane, okay? So if you look at, you're sitting at $90 right now. Let's say that you truly believe over the next 2-3 years, we could see a major bull market return. And let's just keep it on Google here, since we just use it as an example. You know, you're going to be coming out here to December, let's say 2025. It's going to be a long time, but you're giving yourself the major benefit of the doubt that you really do have a nice bull market. And let's say Google does go up to that $150 mark. These call options are going to be expensive, okay? They're going to be $7 right now, almost 8, let's say $8 to buy that 150, but let's just use some number around here, okay? Let's just use the 120s. 120s are $14 right now. If you were to buy a couple of these 120s, all of a sudden, let's say 3 years from now, Google is trading at, or not even 3 years, but just somewhere along the way, Google is trading at $150, $160, $170 per share. It is rebounded. The bull market is in full swing. You can easily come in here and see that at a $95 price point, Google is, and we're using a $170 price point in this options theory. That's $50 above the strike price that we had. This is $50 above the strike price right here, and this is trading at 57. So all of a sudden, you took your $14 investment and turned it into a $57 investment. So instead of making 50, 60, 70, 80% on your money, if you went the options route, because it does expire in 3 years, right? I mean, you have that time value of money risk, you're going to see an increased reward. So all of a sudden, your $14 quadrupled. You saw a 3, 4, 500% gain in your options investment. And 3 years is a very long time, dude. I mean, a bull market should be here in 3 years, unless, of course, we like default on our debt and we're in some sort of a massive depression. The other option was tokens. Now, we've looked at tokens a lot, and I truly believe that if you're investing in these tokens, the next bull market, the major risk is cryptocurrency being banned here in the United States. But, dude, tokens, I expect to reach all-time highs again. And because I expect them, you're looking at 10, 15, 20x potential gains in the current tokens that are out there. So I think your safest bet is stocks, then call options, and then your tokens. And because of that, your lowest reward, stocks, call options, and then tokens. So, and that's long-term call options, right? So I think that's the best way you could probably look at it there. Patrick, what you talking about, John J? Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And the authorized hydration. My gosh, I love it. Most live streams are fun. Today, Claybro is running rants for fun. John J, you love it though, man. You love it. First time seeing Paul in here. What's going on, Paul? How you doing? If he ignores a wingo up, a wingo up, a wingo up, a wingo up. All you know, he loves a wingo up, and ignore a bop away. John J. Oh yes, had me a taco. I like it. Pika! Thank you for the bone. Thank you for the bone. Thank you for the bone. Pika Power, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. Yee, just to let you know, man, you are not banned. Look at Doki Inu. Yes, going on Doki Inu really quick. We've got D-O-K-E, Doki Inu coming up right here, and it is currently down 13% right now. Looking like a little dip right there. Very, very, very low market cap. $1.5 million market cap on Doge. It's crazy, man. Volume exceeds market cap, which is insane. So you might have a lot of like bots or something trading on this. But it has been out for a couple days. Only a couple days now. Almost a week. Not even a full week. But it looks like it came out on maybe it's been out for a full week. February 28th. February 28th, and it has done very nicely. My gosh, to go from 0003 to 003, 10x gain, and back down a little bit. Dang, dude. I don't know how you find these coins. Look, I don't know. I don't know if they're going to come back down. I would take a chance on them, dude, in this area down here for sure. But that's some massive volume to be taking place over the first week of trading, especially with such a low market cap. So this definitely shows me that this is not all buy volume. This is buy and sell volume. And the fact that it's kind of sitting sideways right now, I would say this is even buy to sell volume. People aren't really driving it up in either direction, but that's an extremely low market cap coin, and it's only been out for a week. What about Doge? This thing is bouncing up like it's possessed. Doge, let's take a look at it here in a second. What are you talking about, Fredo? Cardano's expected to reach $5. These tokens like Doki Inu. Well, no, like those. Yes, I'm talking about, I don't know if Cardano's going to go up to $5 right away, man. That might be a lot more to handle. But, there you, dude, 10, 20, 30, 40x gains in tokens are going to be insane. If you're looking at Doki Inu, yes, $1 million market cap, I have no problem saying that could 100x. Moji calling out Tim right now. Tim, are you listening? Thank you very much, Moji, for the super chat. I don't know if Tim's listening right now or not, but if he is, man, he surely heard that one. I gotta go. Serving up dinner right now. Bye, everyone. Sarah Destat, 50 Shades of Green. Enjoy your dinner and enjoy your evening, and hopefully you come back in the afternoon live stream. Volume up. Outdoor Smile. Volume up. 1,200 seconds. Define banned. Yes. So 1,200 seconds. Please define banned, because nobody's banned in here right now. Cardano's gonna hit $5 in the next bull run. Let's see what that puts us at. A 20x gain? Where's Cardano at right now? I don't know. You don't know. We're about to find out. Yes, it puts us at roughly a 20x gain from where we're at, which is exactly what I said. A 10, 20, 30x gain, Fredo. Don't you ever question Michael Corleone. So yeah, you guys could definitely check out Cardano. Fredo there saying it's going to $5 per coin during the next bull market, which is not insane. I'm pretty sure Cardano was $3 a coin during the last bull market. And yeah, $3 a coin during the last bull market. I don't think that that's an insane price point to see, you know, that $3, $4, $5 mark during the next bull market. So just know, cryptocurrency could see and they could face some major problems over the coming months and over the next year or so. But those risks bring the highest rewards. So you don't have the ridiculous rewards if you don't have the ridiculous risk associated with it. Later, Sarah. See you later, Sarah. Heck yeah. J Bones, baby. Hey, King Chatter. Oh, yes. Yes. Don't question Michael Corleone, Fredo. Which is exactly what I just said to you, Fredo. Which is exactly what I just said to you. No questions on that one. Polls in the chat. Absolutely, man. I want to know what you guys think, though, because, you know, I'm sitting here waiting on this dip, and you guys can get your answers out in the comments right now. I actually think Paul's going to be a decent opportunity if these people don't FUD it into oblivion. So, very similarly to the way that Shiba Inu coin fell off in its initial stages, I do believe that Paul could fall off if you see a very quick sell-off by some of these investors who jumped on hoping to get rich quick. Beyond that, I think that these guys are capable of developing their own ecosystem. Is it ever as big as Shiba Inu coin? No, probably not. But could it be, you know, as big as Bone, Leash, and so on? Absolutely. We all have to remember, these kids did not create Shiba Inu coin. They created the ecosystem around it. And the same way that they created the ecosystem around Shiba, they can create an ecosystem with Paul around Shiba and Shibarium. So I do think that they've got some great potential there, but are you guys, are you just getting in now? Do you think it's going to dip? Let me know your thoughts on the way out, because I am actually interested in getting some of it, but I want to make sure that I want the dip first, but I want to know your guys' thoughts on whether you think it's going to dip down. Let's do these shout-outs as I see these coming across the screen right now, guys, and then we will be back this afternoon, so please come back this afternoon and hang out. King Mamba, Outdoor Smile, Ryan, see you later, man. King Mamba, Ryan Davis, Pika Bauer, bye, Paul. Pika says buy it, says get in. I might have to get in. John J, man, boom, baby. King Mamba, see you later, Paul. King Mamba, Ryan, see you later. I'm not buying Paul after 40x. Well, yeah, man, that's the thing. It's up high right now. Moji, 1 o'clock on it. It's 1 o'clock already, man. I don't know where that time went. Pika Power, see you later. AMC Chapter, peace out of the Diamond Handed Apes. King Mamba, Patrick, enjoy your afternoon. Moji, Dark Bro. We've got Paul is a good option because it forces Chateau should actually be competitive and make up his mind. That it does, dude. Dark Bro, that it does. Matthew, see you later, man. Paul, enjoy your day. Ice Bear, see you later. Roulette Wheel, J Bones, later to USD. Paul, right? Let's get started. You guys know what time it is, man. If you want to say it with me, King Mamba. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Ryan, I thank you very much, Ryan, for the super chat. Thank you very much for the super chat, Ryan. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, dude. Slayer JC, man. See you later, Pat. Enjoy your afternoon. Ryan, Pika, J-Bones, Skystonify, King Mamba, Ryan, Paul, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Ryan again with another super chat. Ryan, I thank you very much. I thank you very much. You come in here and you give me a super chat and a super chat and a super chat and a super chat. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Absolutely appreciate it. Shout out to Ryan, Paul, Slayer, Ryan, Moji, King Mamba, and everybody else. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.